Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 68. Meet Henry Johnson, the Harlem Hellfighter, whose bravery is shown on May 15, 1918, in World War I. Outnumbered in the Argonne Forest, Johnson and a fellow soldier faced a German raid. Despite severe wounds and running out of ammo, Johnson unleashed a fierce defense with his knife and bare hands, saving his comrade and stopping the Germans. Known as Black Death for his battle ferocity, France awarded him the Croix de Guerre. The US recognized his heroism with the Medal of Honor in 2015, nearly a century later. Henry Johnson's tale is a powerful testament to undaunted courage and resilience, making him a true American hero of World War I.